Well, Alison, we're here in this machine shop, and I've noticed it's quite a well-used machine. And what's this kind of base plate they've got here?
Well, I think most people recognise this is the MicroLoc, classic base that we have here. We have a self-centering vise as well. The amazing thing is that this bolt-on means so much flexibility, and modularity means that you can do large pieces, small pieces. It's very, very flexible.
Absolutely, and what I love is the fact they are making lots and lots of chips on this, and they've been using MicroLoc for at least 20 years, so I don't know how long this base plate is, but how old it is, but I think it's pretty old.
I'd say it's a lot of longevity going on in here, and I love seeing all the swarf in place too.
But Carl, thank you so much for bringing us down here to Universal Fabrications. There's so much going on here in terms of laser cutting and welding, but here in the machine shop, what kind of parts do you guys make, and how long has the company been going?
Yeah. So we've been trading for 48 years, subcontract manufacturer. We've been making parts for automotive, aerospace and defence.
And you've been machining for quite a while as well, right?
Yeah, about 20 years.
And I guess when you started doing machining from the other side, from laser cutting and welding, there was a few things you had to consider, such as work holding. What was that journey like?
Yeah, so coming from the sheet metal background, work holding was something that we weren't really used to. But to get the cycles down, get the changeover down, yeah, work holding is super important.
Yeah, and how did you decide which work holding you were going to use for a long time?
So we were introduced to MicroLoc about 20 years ago, and we started using their classic system.
Yeah, absolutely. And we can see some of that still in use today, right?
Yeah, so for 20 years, it's still working. We've got it on many machines, on different robots and loading systems.
Thanks, Carl. Yeah, it's great seeing these pieces of technology being used day in, day out for over 20 years. Let's hear from Alison and Kevin about the applications they're using it for.
So Kevin, at Universal Fabrications, you've been using MicroLoc for, 20 years plus. You were talking about Carl before and how he was happy to invest and grow things going forwards. But I believe since you started, that you've made some changes with the various systems that you've already tried.
Yes, when I came they weren't really using the 0-point self-centering vices on the multi-pallet machine, so we introduced that initially with a competitor to MicroLoc, and we were moving forward with that, and we tried one or two. We tried a sort of a cheaper Chinese option as well, which we didn't find the quality was quite right, and then by chance we found out that Matt was doing the 0-point vices, so we thought, oh great, we'd got a relationship with MicroLoc anyway, so we knew the quality was there, so we got him in, and it sort of went from there really.
Superb. And the other thing, Kevin, as well, we're talking about you've tried all the different systems and everything else, but really there seems to be a bit of a cost point here as well that's quite interesting.
Yes, we could cost the 0-point down, but we weren't getting the quality, so we wanted to get a quality that we get from other manufacturers, which we've now getting with MicroLoc, but at a vastly reduced price, which obviously in this day and age everybody's looking for a cost down, and so we're still maintaining the quality, the interchangeability and the product, but it's significantly cheaper than what we were buying, so that was a win-win really.
That's amazing. It's just a great innovation that you guys are moving everything forwards to grow for the future as well.
Yeah, and it's just helped us do that really.
Yeah, so you're happy?
Yes, very happy.
I see that.